Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we are diving into the intriguing world of hydraulics. If you've ever wondered about the different types of pumping systems used in hydraulics and their maintenance needs, then stick around. We'll be exploring gear systems, piston, vane, clutch, and dump pumps, and I'll walk you through their operation, common applications, and maintenance needs. But that's not all. We will also discuss preventive maintenance strategies and the integral parts of these systems that are often replaced. Let's get started. Today we're going to explore the 5 different types of pumping systems in hydraulics. First off, we have the gear systems. As the name suggests, these are the most basic hydraulic pumps, and they operate through a system of gears. Secondly, we have piston hydraulic pumping systems. These are the most common of all and are generally found in manufacturing situations. They operate using high-pressure seals in tandem with pistons. Thirdly, we have vane systems. These are simpler and less common and are most useful in low-pressure applications. These are positive displacement systems that can work with a variety of different vanes. Fourthly, we have clutch pumps. These are very small pumps and are typically found in smaller systems, such as trucks or vehicles. They are belt-driven. Lastly, we have dump pumps. These are specific to dump trucks and are not suitable for any other application outside of these trucks. Now let's talk about overall pumping systems maintenance. Each of these systems has a different life cycle and a different timeline for parts replacement. This is further complicated by the fact that some parts must be replaced regardless of use, while other parts do not. For example, some parts of a gear pump that are used every day will wear out before the dump pump that is only deployed once every week needs a check. And to add to the complexity, warranties may or may not cover parts. Because these systems are so complicated and so many parts need repairing at different times, the maintenance needed goes beyond checks and replacing parts on a schedule. Some of the different types of maintenance that companies may employ include condition-based maintenance, preventive maintenance, proactive maintenance, total productive maintenance, and more, depending on the company in question. These all fall under the umbrella of a preventive maintenance plan. Each different type has a part to play in a preventive maintenance strategy, which in its turn slots into an overall strategy. Now let's look at the parts that companies should expect to replace the most. These include filters, fluid, accumulators, and of course, the pumps in question. However, replacement is easy to forget about, as hydraulics don't need as much maintenance as other systems. They're easier to forget and neglect until something goes very wrong. So how can you keep track of everything? Here is a simple checklist of tasks that maintain your pumping system in your hydraulics. Firstly, make sure that regular maintenance is being done. This is the first checkpoint for every piece of equipment. Secondly, flush your systems on a schedule. The fluid in your systems needs to be taken care of. Thirdly, check your hoses. A leaking hose can bring everything to a screaming halt. Fourthly, watch for strange changes. Changes in your machinery are generally not a good sign. Lastly, ask if things are working. Sometimes people don't tell other people who need to know if a machine or system isn't at peak performance. Before we wrap up, remember that the best way to keep track of all the parts in your hydraulic pumping systems is by integrating the needs of these systems into your overall CMMS system. This frees you and your employees up from the strain of remembering when things need changing and enables you to focus on the tasks that you do best. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the different types of hydraulic pumping systems, their operation, common applications, and maintenance needs. We also discussed preventive maintenance strategies and the integral parts of these systems that are often replaced. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on maintenance and operations. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.